Hi guys, welcome to Chef K Academy. This is Chef K Academy YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel, watch the video and like. God bless you and God bless me. Yeah, let's go back to our work today. Today I will take you on table, how to insert table in Microsoft Office Word. So first of all, let me explain what table is. Table is a grid of cell arranged in rows and columns. Tables are useful for various tasks, such as representing of text and numerical data. In Word, you can create a blank table, convert text to a table, and apply a variety of style and format to table. So when we mention table, is a grid of cell arranged in rows and column. So that means this box that we have here, we call all of these boxes, we call them a cell. We call them what? A cell. So we have this as a column. This is column 1, this is column 2, and this is column 3, and so on. So when we mean row, this is row 1 from the top here, row 1, and this is my row 2. Then the intersection of the row and the column give us a cell. So that's why we have all of this cell here. So the intersection of rows and column give us a cell. In other words, row is the horizontal arrangement of line, or you can say column is the vertical arrangement of what? Of line, and you can say cell is the intersection of rows and column. Is it clear? On table, to create a table in Microsoft Office Word. First of all, click on your table and note this, that when a table is created, 2 additional tabs appears here. This tab will display on the ribbon. They are design and layout. They are also used to make a certain change to your table. So we'll discuss that later. So on how to insert your table, we have about 3 methods of inserting table in Microsoft Word. We have the quick table mode, then we have the insert table mode, and we have the draw table mode. Are you with me? So in this case now, let me explain this one. Quick table mode, you can insert a table not more than 10 columns and 8 rows. If you look at this, we have how many rows here? This is 10. Then we have the row which is 8. Do you see that? So the number over the grid represents the number of column and row, where the first number representing the number of column and the second represents the number of rows of the row. Then the insert mode. Insert mode, here you specify the number of column not more than 63, and row and number of row not more than 32,767 you want. So if I click on this insert table, so it will bring this column up. So here we have what? Insert number of what? Column, and insert number of row. So on this number of column, the highest number you can insert on this column is 63, and the highest number you can insert on this row is 32,767 on the row. Are you with me? So for example, let's assume you just need to insert a column of 5 and a row of 2. So immediately you want something more than that. Let's assume you want 7 by 4. Then you click OK. You see that? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 columns, then we have 4 rows, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how to insert table on Microsoft Word. And notice something, immediately you insert this table, the tools that I mentioned that it will display on the ribbon, you see it, we have what? Table tools, where we have design and we have layout. So these tools allows us to format our table the way you want it to look like. Are you with me? So we can format the table with these tools, and with these tools we can add maybe you can add to your table, and you can erase some part of the table. I'm going to discuss that also. So the next lesson we will be looking at is the mouse pointer when you navigate over a table, where you can find them and their usage. So the first one we have here, we have it at the right. This box we have here at the bottom right corner of the table. This is used for the adjusting or resizing the table. For example, maybe you want to reduce the size of this table, you can just click here, click and drag it like this, so you can be able to resize this table. And also you can expand the table by dragging it back. So whenever you want to do that, make sure you place your cursor here, then you drag in to reduce and you drag out to expand. Then the next one we have here, we have this symbol that you are looking at. This symbol allows us to adjust the cell. It allows us to adjust what? The cell or the column. So you place this at the middle of this line, you see, so it allows me to increase the size of this cell and decrease the size of this cell or column. So doing, I can be able to adjust my cell like this. Maybe I type a person's full name here and the name broke, so I want the name to be on a straight line, so I can easily expand this table like this. Then I can input some other information. And also for the row, it adjusts the row also. I can drag this up like this, then I can make this one very big, I can expand this. So this symbol allows me to increase and decrease the cell size or the row. Allow me to increase and decrease the row, and the vertical one allows me to increase and decrease the columns. Are you with me? And also we have some symbol. Look at this symbol, this arrow pointing up. Immediately I place my arrow beside this cell, it's changed to arrow like this, you see. So this is used to align a cell. So me, if I want to align this cell, I can just click and drag it down. So it means I want to align the column. You see that? And if I should start from up like this, if I just click, it aligns the column from top, it aligns the column from top, and this aligns the column from side. You see, allow the column from side. So that is that. Then the next one we have highlight. You can also place your cursor like this, click and what? Highlight. So you can see we have different way of highlight in our Microsoft Office Word. So the next one we have this symbol here, like a star. You see, like a cross, the up and arrow, the up and down, then the right and left. So this is used to move the table. I can move the table down here, you see, or I can position the table here. You see that? So it is used to select or highlight all the text. If I should press again, it's to highlight all the text, but if I should click on it and hold down my left click and move my mouse, it allows me to move the table on the work page. Are you with me? And the next one we have the hiding rows. So like now here I have how many rows? I have column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I want to add a column to this place. So I can click on this plus. It will help me to add column to this place. If I need row, I can come here also. You see, it allows me to add a row. Once I keep clicking on it, it will keep adding row to the table. Do you see that? So that on that. So the next thing you'll be looking at, let me delete this stuff and we start a new table. So I want to quickly make some work on table. So let me click this to highlight everything and click that space on your keyboard to delete it. So click on insert table. So let me insert something like this. Let me say 2 by, okay, let me say 3 by 4 like this. So on this scenario, I want to type of computer and specification. So I need number, which is S10. Then I have type, then have specification. So there's it. And if here is SN, which is serial number, which is I have 1, then I have 2, I have 3. Do you understand? So this cell is bigger, and then so all I have to do here is to adjust this cell, like to make my work look very nice and very beautiful. And this one here, I want to bring it to the middle of the cell. So I click on it and press Ctrl E, or you go back to your home, then you click on center alignment. You see that? So click inside there. Let me type. We have types on computer. We have micro processor, specification. The specification is very long. It is a single survey. It is a single user computer system having moderate, powerful. You see my table has broken processor. You see that? And look at this microprocessor. You can see the heat space is very huge for this test, and this place is very small for this test. So doing, I can adjust my cell like this. Do you see? So then I can make this one Ctrl E, center. Let me change this back to capital S. Do you see that? Then the second one, we have work station. The workstation, the specification, it is also a single user computer system, similar to personal computer. Sorry. However, has a more powerful microprocessor. So they say my work is very neat and very beautiful. So the next one we have mini computer. You see that it is a multi-user computer system capable of supporting hundreds of users simultaneously. Check error. Okay, let me correct this. I have high. Okay, yeah, higher. So this is. So we have something like this. You can see how I already sent a test on my table. So let me go back. Let me discuss the properties of the table. I mean the tab of table. We have design tab. So here we have the default table grid, and here you can scroll down and search for more design of table you can use. You see that you can use this. It's very beautiful. Or if you don't want that, you can also give it your table color that you want by selecting it, then go to your shading, and from here you can give your table varieties of color that you want. You see that? You can give this, give it a light gray. Let me change this to something like this. Let me change this to something like this. You see? So from here I can modify my table. We have layout. So for instance, I just draw the table, that is the row 1 2 3 4. So I need one more, like two more. So I can easily go to my layout. We have the insert above, insert below, insert left, insert right. So these functions allows me to add to my table even when I've created a table initially. So just make sure you click on the last table, then you click on insert below. Automatically it will insert for you. And if you need a column beside this, you can just click any one of these, then click on insert right, that is from the right hand side. You see that it will insert to the right hand side. So if you need a text at the middle of this, just click insert left, it will insert to the left. So Ctrl Z, let me bring this back. You see, so from here I can say 4, then continue with my work, then I can come again, insert below, insert below, insert below. You see that? So that's how we create table. So all of these I don't need them. I can just select it like this, or just click on, maybe you don't need this. We have 4, we have 5, then we have 6. You don't need this 6. So click on delete table and delete what? Row. So it will delete that row for you. You see that? You can also go back there, click on it, go back to my layout, and can highlight these two together, then click and delete what? Row. So automatically it will delete the row. So we have also, you can also use a draw table to draw some line or some to your table. You can just come here now, drag this stuff and bring it like this. So you can draw, you can add your table using this. Also use that, and if you don't need that, you can use your eraser tool to erase the line away. Erase this and erase this. You see that? So that is how to use our table. One more thing you need to know about table, how we call merging. For example, I need a heading for this stuff here. Let me add above. So I need to write something here on a very straight line. So I can merge this cell together like this, then click on your merge cell. You see it has turned all the column to one, so I can easily type a text inside this cell. So that is merging. Are you with me? Then how we call splitting. You can split your cell by splitting this cell from here to this place. You see, so I can separate this microprocessor. I want this microprocessor to stand alone. Just click on it, then click on what? Split table. If you say split cell, okay, you see it has split the cell for me. Let me go back. Split table, to split this, click on this also, split table. So I have all its table standing alone. So thank you for this video. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you and God bless me. Thanks.